Buti. Ako yung bago.
A strain occurs when a muscle or tendon is stretched or torn, often due to overuse of sudden movement. Common areas for strains include the back of hamstring.
On the other hand, a sprain happens when a ligament, the tissues that connect bones, is stretched or torn. This is common in the ankles, knees, and wrists.
How can you tell if it's strain or sprain? Here are some common symptoms.
For strain, watch out for muscle pain, weakness, or swelling.
For sprain, you'll notice bruising, swelling, and difficulty moving the joints.
If someone has a strain or sprain, follow the RICE method.
R for rest. Stop any activities to avoid worsening the injury.
I for ice. Apply a cold pack for 15 to 20 minutes every few hours to reduce swelling.
C for compressions. Use an elastic bandage to provide support and maximize swelling. Make sure it's snug but not too tight.
If E for elevation. Raise the injured area above heart level to reduce swelling.
If someone has a sprain or strain, just do the RICE method. Don't forget to share this video to help others learn how to manage strain and sprain. Together, we can build a safer community.